他们的恐惧是我们的武器，我们的胜利。谢谢了，兄弟姐妹们，你们健身了吗？行动，行动，行动！中共，你完了 ！Take down CCP！
For the games you want to play. Bring it on and I will fight to the end. Just watch and see.
Good morning, everyone. Today is the 29th of March, 2023, and it is the first day of the Free Miles Guo protests. My name is Archie, and I'm here today with 13 other fellow fighters from the new federal state of China, and we are here today at Grand Central Station to protest the unjust arrest and holding of Miles Guo. The SEC has alleged that Miles Guo committed fraud on accounts with GTV, G-Clubs, and Himalaya Exchange. But we as the investors do not feel that we are the victims of Miles Guo. The SEC owes us money. The SEC has victimized us, and we are the victims of the DOJ, the FBI, and the SEC. We are here today to enact our First Amendment rights to protesting, and we are here today to say that we want Miles Guo freed and that we are not his victims. We are Miles Guo, you are Miles Guo, we are all Miles Guo, and we are here to tell the Chinese Communist Party that by arresting one man, then that they cannot stop a revolution. Thank you.
中共，你完了！干灭中国共产党这个 CCP， 还能让我们远离恐惧。